If you're looking to add a little bit of extra security to your TJ as well as some added exterior style, this locking fuel door by Rugged Ridge will be a great option for you to check out. This will be one of those small but noticeable mods that makes your Jeep look a little bit tougher. And it'll also keep your fuel protected from any unwanted contaminants or any siphoning thieves. This will give a little bit of refresh to the body of your 97 to 06 TJ and cover up any worn factory trim. Installing this will require tapping into the existing fuel trim, but it's very simple, so I have to give it a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and we'll show you that in just a minute. Like I mentioned, this will be a physically small mod, but it'll definitely make a nice impact in the looks department on your stock TJ or even a fully modded one. The fuel door itself is made out of stamped stainless steel, and it has a black finish to protect against any rust or corrosion, which will give this thing a pretty long lifespan. We do have a couple of different finishes and materials that will match any style or preference, including polished stainless steel, polished aluminum, and black aluminum. On the outside of the trim, you'll see that it's riveted, and this makes the fuel door a good match for any bead-locked wheels or riveted flares. The door attaches right over the existing trim, which helps ensure that the new door sits flush, hiding the old trim. You won't need to remove the gas cap trim or the taillight in order to install this, making it a very easy install with those self-tapping screws. As for the locking mechanism, it's very simple to use. It even comes with 2 keys in case you were to ever lose one. However, you do have the option to leave this unlocked if you just want to have it there for show or you don't feel like you need it locked at the time. If it's unlocked, it will stay closed since it has a spring-loaded closure to prevent it from swinging open when it's unlocked. Since there's not much here, this is an inexpensive mod coming in at right around $70 at the moment. This is right in the middle of the road with price when you compare it to all other fuel doors on the page. Since this is stainless steel, this will be a little bit lower priced than the aluminum options, and other choices that are less expensive usually don't include this locking feature and go for around $10 cheaper. Higher priced options, on the other hand, include the Mopar fuel doors that of course carry a higher price tag, as well as a locking fuel door by RBP that has a higher price because of the material being aluminum and a stamped RBP logo on the front of the door. Overall, if you're looking for a fuel door with a simple yet rugged look, a little bit of security at a good price, this is definitely it. Installing this is very simple with some minor drilling, which I really wouldn't even call drilling, so I have to give this one a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you a total of 5 minutes. Now I'll pass it over to the installers to show you how it's done.
Today we're going to be installing the Rugged Ridge locking fuel door for the Jeep Wrangler TJ series. It is a very simple, straightforward installation with the removal of 4 screws and the installation of 4 new screws. We're going to begin with disassembly, and it's just really simple. You're going to take your Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 4 screws retaining your factory fuel door in place. Disassembly is that easy, just the removal of those 4 screws. Now we're not going to remove the whole factory fuel door. That stays in place. The new one will just go right over top of it and be replaced with 4 brand new fasteners. You're just going to go ahead and line up the 4 holes on your new door with your old one and install the new supplied hardware using the supplied torch bit tool. This concludes the installation of our Rugged Ridge locking fuel door. You can go ahead and now add your key to your regular car key ring and enjoy.
This Rugged Ridge locking fuel door is a great option for you and your 97 to 06 TJ. This is Meredith with XT, and for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.